Illustration 7. Anant is a trader dealing in textiles. For the following transactions, pass journal entries for the month of January 2018. So here also it is January 2018. So you have January, 10 transactions are given for this particular trader, okay, who is trading in dealing in textiles. Now, commenced business with cash. So as we all know, commenced business means it is to be treated as capital account. In this is the another account. There must be always two accounts involved, right? Minimum of two accounts. So we are taking up these two accounts. Capital is a personal account. Since we are receiving, or Anant is starting the business, he is bringing in capital. So we have to write it as Anant's capital. So he is the giver of this amount. So automatically he is to be credited. Cash is a real account. So whenever we have real account, what comes in should be debited, what goes out should be credited. When we start business, cash is coming into the business. So we have to debit cash. Always when you see this commenced business or started business, immediately your entry should be cash account debtor to that person's capital account. If no person name is given, okay, in that case you can write simply as capital account. Now first always you have to write the format in the books of Anand. Journal entries, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. You have 2018, you have to write as 2018 January 1st. Cash account debtor to Anand's capital account. Commenced business with cash, rupees 70,000 in your debit and the credit column. The second transaction is purchase goods from X and Co on credit. So here also on credit term is there, right? So automatically we have to take up the person's name, and since it is purchase goods, we have to take up purchase as the first account. So now purchase is a nominal account. It is an expense to the business. So we have to debit purchases. So whenever we see purchases, it has to be debited. From whom are we purchasing? We are purchasing from X and Co. Since it is given as on credit, even if this term is not given, only name is given, in that case also you will take up this account only. Now from X and Co, it is a personal account. X and Co is the giver, so we have to credit his account. So you will write the journal entry as purchases account debtor to X and Co. So purchases account debtor to X and Co, rupees 30,000. The third transaction is cash deposited into bank. So here we have cash, we have bank, okay, these two are the accounts involved. So cash account is a real account, bank personal account. Cash is deposited into bank, which means from business you are taking the cash, so it is going out, so it has to be credited. In bank is a personal account. Cash deposited into bank means banker is the receiver, so we have to debit bank account. So bank account debtor to cash account. So you'll write bank account debtor to cash account. Cash deposited into bank, rupees 40,000. The fourth one is bought a building from L and Co on credit. Okay, here also we have bought. Bought means if goods are given, we will take up purchase account, but here building is given, so we have to take up building. From whom are we purchasing? From L and Co. Again here also on credit only we are purchasing, so L and Co is the other account. Building, since it is an asset, it is a real account. L and Co is the name of the company, so personal account. As per real account, what comes in should be debited, what goes out should be credited. When we purchase building, building is our own possession, right? So which means it is coming in, so it has to be debited. And also L and Co, as per personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Here we are purchasing from L and Co, which means he is the giver of that building, so L and Co is to be credited. So you'll write building account debtor to L and Co. So that will be billings account debtor to L and Co rupees 95,000. The fifth one is the most important transactions, 5 and 6, okay, because most of us get confused here. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use, okay. For office use means we have to take up cash and bank account as the two accounts. So here cash is being withdrawn from bank, so cash is coming into the business. Withdrawn means from bank account you are taking the cash, right? So which means to the business it is coming in, so we will debit cash account. From whom are we getting? This is the personal account, right? So giver should be credited, debit the receiver. So bank is giving from the bank, so we are taking it from bank. Bank is the giver now, so bank account is to be credited. So you'll write cash account debtor to bank account, date 5, cash account debtor to bank account rupees 5,000. The next one is the same thing, but difference is for personal use. Cash withdrawn from bank for personal use. I hope you all remember when I taught you the accounting equation, I said whenever you see personal use, it is to be treated as drawings. Okay, so this will be one account, the same type of transaction, but with one word difference, the account varies. Personal use means you have to take up drawings, office use means cash and bank welcome. So here drawings, from where are we getting it? From the bank. Okay, so leave off the cash account here. Whenever it is given as personal use, instead of cash you will take up drawings account. Okay, now drawings is a personal account, you're withdrawing. Okay, so it is to be debited because you are the receiver now, and bank, from bank only we are getting the money, right? So personal account, as per personal account we have to credit the giver. So you will write dated 6, drawings account debtor to bank account rupees 4,000. Transaction 7, towels given as charities. Okay, whenever you see the word charities, that is one account. The other account will always be purchases. It is in hidden account because the person who is doing this business, that is Anant, is doing textile business only. He is taking from his own business and giving it for the needy people, poor people. Okay, so he is giving it as charity, so automatically he is not selling these goods. Okay, so 3,000 worth of good is being given as charity for free of cost. In that case it is to be treated as purchases. Okay, so always charities word is given, you have to take up charities as your debit and purchase as your credit. Here alone purchase will be credited. Okay, here alone means these type of transactions, right? So now you will write number 7, charities account data to purchases account rupees 3,000. The next one is shirts taken over by Anant for personal use. Anant is the owner of the business, but what he is doing is he is taking some of the shirts for his personal use from the business. So when he withdraws for personal use, what did we say? We say it is drawings. The same thing applies here also. But one thing is here also personal use, so you will take up drawings as the account, and it is not going to be sold out, it is to be taken for his own purpose. So automatically here also he is not selling, he is not going to get any amount for the business. So this 12,000 worth of shirt will be considered as purchase again. Okay, so drawings account debtor to purchase account should be taken. Okay, so it is like he himself is purchasing the goods from his business. Okay, that is why we are crediting the purchase account. Okay, so now drawings account data to purchases account, you will write 12,000. The next one is sarees distributed as free samples. When are these free samples given? Normally when any new product comes in, samples will be given to the public for just making their business or promote their business, right? So here also free samples or even only samples are given. In that case, you need to treat this as sales promotion. They are promoting their business. Okay, so they are taking up certain customers for their business. So in that case, any sample is being given, we have to treat that as sales promotion. And again here also, when they are distributing these samples, they won't get any money for the business. It is of free of cost. So all these are just free of cost, right? So automatically we have to take up purchases, that is 3000 rupees. Now sales promotion account data, that is dated 9, sales promotion account data to purchase account, goods distributed as free samples, rupees 3000. Next one is goods, that is tablecloths used for office use. Here what happens is, from his business he is taking for his own business use, okay, office use. So we can take it as office use, right? So office expenses can be taken as the account office expenses. So office expenses should be debited. Again here also he is not going to get the money from for his business, since he is taking it for his own office use only. So this 200 is treated as the purchase, but it is to be credited. So now dated 10, office expenses account data to purchase account, goods used for office use, rupees 200. Okay, so I'll repeat, whenever you see charities, whenever anything is being taken over by the owner for his personal use, or any product is distributed as free sample, or any good is being used for office use, in that case always purchase account should be credited. And you see the word here charity, right? So charity account data to purchases. You see the word personal use here, so drawings account data to purchase, samples sales promotion to purchase, use for office use, office expenses account data to purchase. Like this you will have even something called donations. Okay, balls is being donated to the trust. Okay, in that case you will take up donation account data to purchases account. There are certain examples like that. In the future illustrations we will see all these things.